this is what I'm dealing with. Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm Chris, this is Dirty Trucker 08, and today we're gonna make the world's smallest rocket stove. So if you couldn't tell already, it is super windy outside. The garage door is just moving and flexing and making all sorts of noise. Hopefully that's not coming through on the audio too bad, because we're gonna try and make a rocket stove. What we have is full of stuff. We have some, I believe it's half inch bar. And we're gonna try and use this and make effectively a single serving size rocket stove. I mean, we're talking like this big. It's gonna be little. Let's get started. So we've got our three pieces. Two pieces. So we've got our three pieces here. What we're going to do now is we're going to try and weld the three pieces together. We've got the main flue piece here, which has a hole in the side of it for the feeder, which will fit right in there so you can feed your toothpicks, or what we're going to be doing is using matchsticks. See if it actually works. But you've got your feeder, and then you've got your vent that goes down on the bottom, so you end up with this shape. We're gonna try welding it together. So we've been sitting out here for the better part of an hour. As you can tell, we have decimated the majority of a box of matches trying to get this thing to work. It looks good. It looks like the ones from the videos and the pictures and the internets and things, but for some reason, this one doesn't work. I'm not sure what I'm missing, or if it's just a scale thing. It only works with certain sizes and above to get the drafts you need and whatnot. Not sure. But it was kind of fun to make. Hopefully you guys enjoyed hanging out. We'll see you next time. Yeah. Thanks for hanging out.